In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for content calendars fast and easy. Monday.com offers a dynamic way to manage your content calendar that can streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this guide will help you get organized in no time. To begin, we will create a board dedicated to your content ideas. This board serves as a centralized hub for your creative concepts and potential posts. Think of it as your brainstorming space, where you can jot down every idea that comes to mind. On Monday.com, boards are versatile and can be customized to suit your needs. To create a board, simply click on the New Board button, give your board a descriptive name, and you're off to a great start. As we move forward, remember that this board is your launching pad, where all ideas take root and eventually blossom into full-blown content. Next, you will want to structure your board by adding a date column, which is crucial for managing your timeline effectively. This column will serve as your personal planner, allowing you to schedule and arrange your content in an organized manner. When you fill in these dates, it helps to think about your ideal posting schedule. Is there a particular day that you find drives more engagement, or perhaps a time of day when your audience is most responsive? Plug in these dates as you see fit. This flexibility is part of what makes Monday.com so beneficial for creators. Now let's utilize the calendar view to visualize your schedule, an essential tool to get a comprehensive overview of what's to come. With the calendar view, you can shift from a list format to a traditional calendar display, making it much easier to spot gaps or overlaps in your publishing schedule. To activate this view, navigate to the Views option at the top of your board and select Calendar. Instantly, you'll see how your content aligns chronologically with your plans. This visual representation can be a game changer, allowing you to quickly adapt to any scheduling conflicts or last-minute changes. Finally, a key aspect of maintaining a seamless workflow is tracking your progress with statuses. By adding status columns to your board, you gain the ability to categorize each piece of content according to its stage in your pipeline, whether it's an idea, in progress, ready for review, or published. Customizing these statuses to fit your process will ensure that you're always in control and aware of your content stage at a glance. Over time, monitoring these statuses can also provide insights into your productivity trends and help you optimize your workflow. And there you have it. With a board for your content ideas, organized scheduling through a date column, the insightful calendar view, and effective tracking using statuses, you're fully equipped to use Monday.com for